Hi everyone, I'm Lea from OLea Braids. Today I will cut my best friend's hair and it's gonna be my first haircut. I'm so excited. I washed her hair, put conditioner on it and wrapped it in a towel earlier. I'm putting a cape on her. Then I'm putting oil on her ends. I'm using organic apricot oil. Next, I'm combing out the hair. You can't really tell on camera, but her hair has started to dry, so I'm wetting it down again with a spray bottle. Now I'm using my professional hairdresser scissors. I picked a small section of hair at the back and sectioned off the rest. I'm combing it very thoroughly. Then I'm cutting the first section above my fingers. I'm cutting the next small section of hair to the same length as the first one. I'm doing the same with every other strand, connecting them with the base. I'm letting more hair down and cutting it to the same length as the first row. Then I'm doing the same with the third row too, cutting it to the same length as my base. Finally, I'm cutting the two front pieces to the same length and adjusting the haircut slightly if needed. Now I'm using a brush and a hair dryer to dry the hair about 70% dry. Now I'm grabbing a round brush and fully drying the hair. I'm using hair curlers on the ends to style. Her hair is pin straight, so the curlers will give her a slight wave. I'm taking the curlers out and brushing the hair. Done! Her haircut is ready. She looks pretty. I feel like I did a good job for my first haircut. Her hair is way more beautiful and healthier than before. It complements her face nicely. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this. Bye for now.